only effective lighting can highlight your cave's natural beauty. But for John, it's more like this. Years ago, he had his cave's lighting installed by an electrician. The underground conditions, however, are quite different from those of construction sites or tunnels. In addition, the bulbs blow far too frequently. John can also only control the lights as a unified installation with one on-off switch. He's desperate because he can't keep going like this. Fortunately, Cave Lighting, specialists in professional cave illumination, can help. A team of experts travels across the globe to consult with clients and perform lighting tests, free of charge. An individual lighting concept is created for every single cave. They take all of John's preferences into account, whether lighting for accent or effect. The installed lighting systems are hidden and specially adapted for underground conditions. The lighting experts also consider the habitat's fauna. Intelligent lighting control options ensure that lights are only switched on when needed. This is the most effective way to reduce photosynthesis. Not only do the custom-designed LED lamps have a significantly longer service life, they also consume less power and are therefore sustainable, energy, and cost-efficient. Regular maintenance is done either by specialists or a trained on-site team, so that John can save money in the long term. Cave Lighting displays his cave brilliantly, along with over 80 lighting projects worldwide. Book your appointment and arrange a free consultation and lighting tests for your cave now.